go. Top of a golf club, what looks like. Golf Pride. Security tag. Good sign. Oh, and a bra strap.
Sort of dropped it somewhere.
Want to be over here, guys? So there we go, just found that foot. That's heavy. Come in. There we go, guys, this is what we do. Why we do what we do, well, one of the reasons. Look at these little cuties here, look. Little baby ones there, look. And that's one of the things, I can say it for the outcast, but for Peaky dippers it is definitely one of the things that we do this for, because we just like to see the nature taking course. And yeah, I mean, like, you can see this, but I've just pulled out, I don't know if I recorded this at the time, I don't know if I recorded it properly, but you can see this here, look, where I've pulled out. I mean, that's all sticking out the ground and it's all getting wrapped around them. So yeah, it's nice to have a little part in it, even if it's a little part. And stuff like that. If I don't know if you can see that, hang on. Zoom into Marie. Oh, we found Nicola's goalposts. Yeah, so yeah, things like that. And Eric's fencing especially, fishing wire, stuff like that. We just, if we can get it out, we get it out, guys. And when you see things like this, makes it all worth it. All the blood and sweat and tears over the year. It just shows you. Beautiful. She's done well there. 6, 7 of them. And there's mum or dad, and then there's mum or dad there, look, so nice. So just remember, guys, if you do chuck stuff in the canals, shame on you. At the end of the day, this is what we're trying to preserve here, look. Shift your scrap and get it took by a proper dippers and scrappers, get it collected properly, or else you know what happens, it gets chucked back in the canal and it's back to square one for these guys here, look. So I won't keep yapping on. There's a certain restaurant across there, I might go and get some breakfast in a minute. So I mean, Nigel's on about eating these. Nigel eating these, but he don't want the babies, he wants the dad. Deep fried. And today, guys, I don't know if I've introduced them yet, but we've got Sonic, ding ding. Morning. We've got Tails, morning. Neil, and we've got Nigel down there. Rusty's just the other side of the bridge there. Morning. No sign of Aaron yet, I wonder why. Well, we've got Nicola from Dudley Dippers down here. I won't show what she's finding. I'll take it to head level, which isn't hard.
Because you're on a gradient.
True, yeah, but is it really going to help if I come down to your level anyway?
A little bit.
I take the mickey out of it, guys, and Marie isn't really much taller than us. Probably only about an inch, half inch, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so like, subscribe to Nicola. Let's see what we can get today.
Ooh,
back to a canal, back to reality.
Wicked. Wow.
Let's pull that out. Vision. So yeah, whatever that might be for. An alarm or something.
A bit of normal scrap for me there, guys. Neil's found it for you. Piece of bar there, guys, and a nut with a bolt on, and a piece of can, and the blade off an old penknife, look. And loads of bottle tops. So I've got a piece of green bar and just your average bits of scrap. Not too good here, guys.
Yeah. And Nicola's handcuffs.
Look.
Yow. It's a monkey hole. Monkey pole. And oh, whatever that might be. So weird one. I've got to up my dose as well.
What is this?
What is it?
Oh, that's like a drawer.
Don't carefully.
It looks like a drawer.
You know what?
What? I know. Big old. Oh, it's one of those things. It's one of those things. Go back in. Go back in. That's an old one, isn't it? Oh, quite nice.
Just pulled that out, guys. It's an old one.
The tail's looking under the bridge.
What is that?
Oh, I forgot it, yeah. You know the best thing is, I thought, I won't forget the cows. It's on the...
You got a Peaky Dippers a cap on, that's Sonic.
Yeah, yeah, I found a new hat. Somebody left it,
Left it.
so I got it.
It's left. But that would be Glenn.
Yeah.
Yes.
Glenn's
Yeah,
always
it
leaving
would be
his stuff
Dave's
everywhere.
now. I never thought today I'd get a Peaky Dippers hat. That's pretty cool.
And an Evo?
That's topped it all off, isn't it?
And a Peaky Dippers Evo.
You just need the t-shirts now.
Yeah.
Just need
Yeah,
the
yeah,
t-shirts.
Sonic, put this on. Well, I think I've just found what's part of a marijuana pipe, I think. Looks like it's... Did
The start
would
of
have
a
been.
marijuana pipe.
I say the start? Did I say the start?
Piece of a marijuana.
The end of the marijuana pipe. There we go. Come up too quick.
Does he always have that problem?
Is it epic?
Here's a little. Ooh, royal side. That's brass.
Oh, let's have a look then. Let's sit you down, guys. What's that?
So, it's pulled out a safe door. We've got a bit of brass there.
Oh, bit of brass.
It's cleaned up, look. See? And then we've got an old brass door there, look.
They are nice to keep, aren't they?
Yeah, so I'll have the brass off there.
I don't want holes. I like holes.
Don't like it.
I don't like it. Oh,
Come on, Nick, get your magnet in.
I ain't feeling very well at all. Hello then.
Hello.
My medication. Yeah, can Steve. Must have pulled up them in one go. Weird, isn't it?
Look like gaskets of some kind.
I've just pulled up them on in one go on the magnet. Like Steve said, they do look like some gaskets of some kind, but I don't know. And there's more.
And there's more. And there's more. What was that? Who was that comedian that said
And
that?
there's more.
And there's more.
Who says it?
Who says that?
Something to do with Arsenal, by the look of it.
Oh, you never guessed it says Arsenal on it.
No, it says Arsenal.
Personal.
Arsenal. But it seems like something to do with Arsenal.
No, it could be personal.
And you can tell Sonic's in our present state. Look, I've had a bike bell now. Ding ding.
What
And I've had...
cannons on?
Because Arsenal are known as the Gunners.
Oh, there you go. I found a cannon then.
I've had something there, 1803. There you go. But it's not 1803 because it's new.
But you got one there.
I thought it was a wibbly wobbly for a second. I've had a lighter from Blackpool. Lots of big girls from Blackpool in the past. I won't say it on camera. Clap. Herpes.
I just settled for a
Piece
cheap
of art.
tattoo.
Another piece of scrap bar.
Right guys, as you can see, I'm on the Evo 17. I can get in all the nooks and crannies. Can you believe it? And Marie just likes pulling out all the same nails. Throw after throw, she throws them all back in the water, look, so she can pull them all out again. Because I'm not from round here, you know.
And that's why Marie don't find anything decent.
Ooh, that cuts like a knife.
Oh, is that a mini rocket?
Oh,
Get your magnets across here, Marie.
Marie's found the window.
Oh, Marie's found the window to the minute.
Oh, wind it down because it's getting warm now.
I found the window.
That could be off a mini actually.
It is, I think. It's off the...
No, it's the quarter one.
Quarter
You
one.
know, on the old cars you used to have to wind down and then you used to have that little triangle. Oh no, it could be one of the rear ones as well. But on the minis, the rear ones were square and opened out. Sometimes they're stamped. Now, could be off a Triumph Herald or something like that, looking at that.
So, we reckon that piece of glass is off a Triumph Herald?
Possibly.
Possibly.
It's too big for a mini.
Could be Nicola's little bubble car, couldn't it?
It's too big.
Too big. We'll count that one out then.
That's like a full windscreen for Nicola. Saying that, she can't see over the steering wheel anyway.
Was his tricks working?
I know, yeah.
There's a proper basket case, that.
He's right.
Similar to that one you pulled down, Marie?
Yeah.
Oh, that would have been.
So we just found an old laptop. Acer. There you go. Acer good un. Ace it was at one time.
I just pulled that off. It looks like an egg grenade, but that's actually wood. So it looks like the handle off something. Oh, I don't know what that would have been, but it's got George on it. So yeah, let me know what it is, George.
You know how to use one, Emery? Do you know how to hold it?
Yeah.
Huh?
I think you're about to find out.
Hey, if you sit on that, it'll fly.
Oh, I got me broom! I got me broom. Got me broom. Please sign. Another part of a sign.
Either a drain surround or a porthole, I don't know. Every.
That's a chimney top from a narrowboat.
Yeah.
And a lump hammer.
Coffee.
We're going to give it to Sonny.
Tea or coffee?
Tea.
Right, here we go again, take 2, because I pressed the wrong button on the camera. Nice big sign.
Free estimates.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Impact Repair Centre, free estimates.
I thought it was a rollock, but I don't think it is.
They're very hard to distinguish though.
That's a proper ore thing, isn't it?
Excuse me. I don't know if it's a rollock, but it's a bit. No, maybe.
Maybe.
And that as well. Got there. Looks like it's off his trolley. You can't go the day without a spade. And a wibbly wobbly. And another wibbly wobbly. Part of a bike.
Right, big heavy lump, as usual, don't know what it is. Quite square, heavy, magnetic. Hence all that stuff on the side, which I'm not inclined to pull off, because I've got other things to do. But, yeah. Anyone any ideas what that might be? And don't say ECU, because I thought about that and it hasn't got a connector or anything. Solid.
It's got there. Look at that. Jug. Beautiful.
Bit slim pickings today, brake of a bike. But you never know, not as good as your next throw.
Look at that. Edward Scissorhands, eat your heart out, look at that. So that's nice out the canal. They'll have to go with us, as we don't leave things like this in the scrap, so this will go with us, and then I should just dispose of it when we get home.
Oh, that's a nice padlock. Look at that. It's one of those heart-shaped ones. I think that might clean up nice. There we go. And another fishing rod.
So there we go, guys. I've just pulled out a flare. It's a hand flare. It's not. It's still live. So it's a marine one. So we reckon it's still going. So it should be waterproof. You can see there. Let's have a look. See if you can see the wording properly. Flare. There you go. There we go. It's like oh, it's part of an old knife, look. I think.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And we've got whatever that was. A 2 pen.
More plastic out. What's that say?
Yellowstone, fast pitch. Oh, it's a tent bag.
Oh.
So that will go in the general rubbish. Oh, I've got a bite.
I've got a bite.
Have I got a bite?
Have you got a bite?
I've got a bite.
Oh, he's got a nice pin.
Nice pin, that's the second. Oh, that's the second one I found now.
That's a good nick, that is, mate.
It is, a good one that. I ain't been in there long. That silver fox. Is that to follow us down because we keep walking off?
Hang on a minute. There's a bit of just debris.
Debris.
The silver fox is pulling some debris out of Marie's hair. A rusty ring.
Excuse me.
I moved that weed back and I went, hello. And they were just sitting there in the grass.
Oh, somebody chewed them and forgot about it.
Oh.
I've just moved a weed just to, you know, get nearer the edge. And, hello, 2 bottles of wine.
I reckon I know where they come from.
Unopened. Yeah, Marks and Spencer's.
Well, yeah.
Oh, the
But
marks.
no, somebody put them in the water to
Yeah.
cool them, to chill
I've
them,
forgotten about them.
and then buggered off. Yeah.
Well, they weren't in the water, they were just on the side. Literally just on the side, so cheers! That should make the afternoon go a little bit brisker.
Yeah.
Find of the day! Find of the day!
There's you not driving home then.
No, well, I'm driving tonight. Oh well, I'm sure the girls will finish him off for me.
I'll have to take a bullet for him. I'll have to take a bullet for him because I don't drive.
What's it called?
Wine?
Right, well, let's have a look then. So Dave's just, I was levering it with a crowbar to get my rope off, well and truly stopped. Whether this was what we were on or not, I don't know. I don't know. But when we fished the magnet out, well, this was on the end of it, so... Oh, it's got the key in. It's got the key in. Oh. Let me just, I'll sit... Well,
No, in case you tip any fines in the water.
I've got it on my hands, don't worry. I've got a lucky feeling about this.
I'm glad you have.
Yeah,
It's usable though again, Nigel.
Hey, you've
No,
won yourself.
that's usable if it's got the key in
It is
still.
usable.
Yeah.
It is usable.
You've
So-
won yourself some mud, mate. How do you feel?
This is what I use in my shed when I get all my 2s and 1s, and I throw them in one of these. So I'll have that one because it's got a key in it. So I'll take that home.
Sweet. Good find.
Good find.
Good find.
Would have been better if it was stuff with 5s, but it wasn't. How unusual.
I've just found some kind of medal necklace, I don't know. But there you go, if you can see that. So yeah. Circus stars. Or something. I think it's like a reading challenge, so it's probably from a school.
Have you had one of them as well?
A couple of finds to show you. Right, Nigel's pulled out another cap. Oh, it's locked. Is it locked? Yeah, but there's nothing in it. Another cash box. So yeah, and pulled out. That's off this petrol cap, as you can see. There's the handle. And fishing lure again. Pulled out this disc, and I've managed to knock all the crud off it. But yeah. I don't know what that is, but it's got rivets going round. As you can see there, and there, and there. And that in the middle. Oh yeah. I'm not sure what that is, but and what looks like the top of a spade maybe, or the top of some part of an hammer, top part of an hammer. But again, it's covered in that much crud. We need to knock it off and see. But yeah, it's either an handle to a spade or an hammer.
Ooh. Is that a pipe or what? Oh. Huh. Oh, you know what that is? It's a
What is it?
air rifle. Air rifle barrel.
Okay.
There you go.
Yeah. I want to fell out of the box.
Not good for nothing now, but you can see where the trigger was. You can see the under lever where you'd break the barrel to load your pellet. Oh, Mike, it is. So there you go.
Nice find, Peaky.
Yeah, it's not nothing I'd take home, but just a piece of pipe, isn't it, really? But off an old air rifle.
I got a cannonball. Oh, where's Glenn when you need him? So, show that Glenn when he comes. I think he's up there. No. So, we'll try and find Glenn.
Isn't it? It's a little over a fork and out. I think it's a fork and out. There you go. A fork and out. Too big to be a psycho. So it's a fork and out. Good on you, Marie. Very nice. Paul Goody, if you're watching, I need you to come and polish this up.
So I will walk away the devil. My rivals best be careful. 'Cause when you're already dead, there's no gun at your head. You're finally free. I shook hands with the devil. All this time best be careful. 'Cause when you're already dead, there's no rope for your neck. You're finally free. Yeah, I'll walk with the devil.
Hello everybody, welcome to the premiere. Thank you for watching. Tonight Marie just said you've got to sit as still as you can because the camera goes funny. It always goes funny with my face. Yeah, so we went to Warwickshire, didn't we? It was Warwickshire? It was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we went to Warwickshire, we've done a canal there. We've always wanted to try. Wasn't very fruitful.
No,
Even Nigel didn't really get anything any good. But
You got to test these new waters.
that's it. It's not about the finds. We had a good laugh and a joke, and it's company, innit?
Yeah.
It's nice to find something, but it don't always happen. So yeah, we've only got a few bits to show you. I'm going to show you the two things Nigel gave me first because it will make sense. Now I've got an item. I can't really say what it is yet because it's going to go on illustrations. But Sonic Dave gave it me, and Sonic and Neil do know what it is, obviously, because I gave it me. But this will go onto it lovely. So Nigel pulled this up.
I love the handle on that.
Yeah, the old ceramic handle.
Look at that.
It's got lovely design on there. And that's crock, obviously, that's porcelain. So
That's beautiful, that is.
I should just clean that metal up a little bit more and it'll go onto what I'm hoping it'll go onto.
So yeah, we'll be back on Outcast restorations pretty soon.
Yes, yeah. So I have been a bit laxy-daisy with frustrations. I've had a lot going on personally. So we will be back on with that. Also, I used to collect insulators off pylons at one time. So Nigel gave me that one. It's a red one, but it's stained, proper stained. I've tried everything to clean it. They're made of plastic, they're not ceramic like the normal ones. I may just chuck that. I have got some ceramic ones which I've collected, but I should probably bring them along to the collab and I should just whack them up for a pound or two. If anybody wants to buy them, collects them, they're welcome to. We had, was it you? You pulled up a safe door.
Yeah.
And I thought I got myself a nice little brass plaque.
It was me or you off, one
but
of us.
It is a brass plaque, but it's a cheap brass plaque. So when I cleaned it, the brass coating all came off.
Yeah.
It's not like them nice old Victorian safes with the crests on or nothing. This is a modern one.
It wasn't brass.
It says Royal Safe. It's not royal, it's a load of rubbish. Sticking to brassy stuff, did you pull that up?
Yep.
So I think it's a medal they give to kids at school.
It is, yeah. By the looks of it.
Or there was a circus nearby. So that's that. Little brass tag. I think I pulled I did. I pulled this knife up. Now it's just an ordinary kitchen knife, and people, I do have comments like, oh, just keep it, it's a knife. No, I won't ever use it for myself because you don't know where it's been. I'm not going to leave it in the scrap for the scrap man to cut his hands to bits on, or somebody get their hands on it. So I'll bring them back. Again, we are saving the knives now for another. We'll try and get another right knife amnesty, won't we? Yep. Just to destroy them all. It's best out the canals. But if you pull them out, don't ever leave them with your scrap. Take them home, chop them up, do whatever you want to. But they're best off the streets, as everybody knows. Then an old padlock.
Is it an old one, is it?
It's not very, very old. It's old. It's not old. It's probably, I don't know, 50 years old, 40, 50 years old. But because it does say handmade on the brass, so it was when they handmade them rather than done everything by factory. So, yeah, good old days. Obviously didn't work, it's in the canal, and it's locked.
I suppose just, is it?
So somebody's locked it and then chucked it in the canal, if you think about it. It's not being cut off anything. Right, but the find of the day, I did find a rifle barrel.
Yep.
It was now good for nothing. Pointless bringing it home. I've got my own personal air rifles at work, so I wasn't going to bring that one back. Just a piece of pipe, isn't it, with a trigger on the bottom. But you'll see that on the video. So that went into the scrap. Not bothered about it. But I think the find of the day went to me.
No, that was me.
Was it you?
Yeah.
I pulled that up.
No, you didn't.
Okay, it goes to me. I could have sworn I pulled this up. I can't remember who pulled it up now. I know I was by you, or...
No, you weren't.
Wasn't I?
No, because I was looking for you.
Alright. Oh, anyway.
You come back and I'd still got it on my magnet, I think.
So she found a falconet.
Look, let me find one.
So, Marie found a falconet, which is a mini cannonball, guys, in case people don't know. A falconet, you've got a falcon, you've got a minium, you've got a Seika, you've got a demi-cannon, you've got quite a few different sizes and weights. And with cannonballs, you weigh it, and you measure it from one point to the other. So that's probably, what, 4 inches from point to point, which tells me what cannonball it is. And then you weigh it, and you look on the diagram, and it says half a kilogram.
There is
and then
graphs
you add it up to what it is.
There is graphs you can work to, or
yeah, there is graphs on Google that you can look at. But yeah, so another one towards the collection. So hence the title.
Yeah.
Balls. Yeah, so they're always nice to find, always nice to keep. So
it's alright, that green handled thing keeps copying me out the corner of my eye in the corner there.
Oh, that's my fly, spider catcher. So like, yeah, for the spider, I just go.
And put them outside?
I'll put them outside, rather than hurt them. I'm not scared of spiders, it's Marie and the kids that are, but I don't like having to pick them up. Right, anyway, so thank you for joining me, guys. Thank you for joining me on the premiere. We are behind the videos, we might try and get a double whammy somehow.
A double whammy this week, maybe?
Yeah, so look out for another Peaky Dippers coming along, because we have got to really catch up. One thing or another, we're just behind, but we've got some interesting videos to come.
I think so.
Yeah, so see you soon, guys. Stay safe and bye to the Peaky Dippers. Like, subscribe to me, not Nigel or Nicola or Rusty, me. See you guys.